Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I'm going to be making crispy ranch chicken. So I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts here that I'm going to be cutting up. Alright, so my chicken is cut up. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ranch seasoning mix and I'm going to be adding that to my breadcrumbs. Alright, so I am using this pan. It's basically a basket on top of a baking sheet. Or I would suggest like a wire rack on top of a baking sheet rather than directly down on it. This is what is going to help it to stay crispy and not let the breading get soggy. And I am going to begin dipping my chicken into my egg and my breadcrumb and putting them into my basket. All right, the chicken is breaded. It's pretty crowded, but that's okay. And we have the oven preheated to 350, and I'm gonna be putting this in, and I'm gonna check on it in 30 minutes. So I left them in for a few extra minutes, and then we increased the temperature a little bit and moved them up to the top rack to get them a little more brown. You just wanna be careful doing that because they can brown quickly. But they look good, and I can't wait to give them a try. And we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.